Pitcrew AI is transforming how safety and compliance inspections are performed on heavy vehicles. Undetected failures lead to breakdowns, costly downtime, and safety risks. Our Pitcrew solution helps identify issues earlier, improving preventive maintenance, safety, and compliance. Unlike a manual walk-around check, Pitcrew's AIS checks every truck as it drives through, with no need to stop. Using thermal cameras, it scans the tyres, wheel hubs, and brakes from both sides and underneath, detecting problems automatically any time of day. It runs 24/7 without human input, finding issues early so they don't lead to breakdowns or accidents. The AIS is set up at the entrance to a yard, depot, or weighbridge. Trucks drive through like normal, no stopping needed. As each truck rolls through, it scans every axle. The data is sent straight to the cloud, where Pitcrew's AI instantly checks for problems with tyres, wheel hubs, or brakes, all without stopping the driver. Inspection results are processed in near real time. Alerts are then sent via email or SMS when faults are detected. Detailed inspection records are also displayed on the client's Pitcrew AI dashboard, allowing maintenance teams to review issues quickly and schedule repairs before failures happen on the road. By eliminating manual inspection and the challenges of inspecting behind dual tyre assemblies, Pitcrew AI reduces the risk of missed faults and human error. With 24/7 automated inspections, fleet operators can prevent roadside breakdowns, improve safety, and protect their reputation. Pitcrew AI. Insight beyond sight.